It is October 28th, and this is DuBois Farms, and it is time for apple picking season, and they've got pumpkins here as well, and a grand walkway with peak autumn colors. Here are, if this is right next to the entrance, look at how many apples are left on October 28th. Just imagine if you walked into the farm, how many beautiful apples there are to pick. All right, I'm happy to be back, and why I chose DuBois Farms. I went to the Walkway over the Hudson Bridge today from Poughkeepsie, Metro North train. And then when you're on the Ulster side, it's about took me 1 hour to walk here from the bridge. And I love it. They have the best apple cider donuts you could imagine. And the apple fields are on both sides of us. And no surprise, they've got a pumpkin patch. There is the barn that smells like a bakery because they bake the apple cider donuts right here. There is the barn. I know we're seeing a lot of leafy stuff on the intro, but it's the closest I've ever been here to Halloween or Samhain. So it's really great to do that walkway and see all of the colors. Pumpkin patch, there it is.